Welcome to Podium Club in Casa Grande, Arizona. Today, we're putting our full race-built 3.5 liter EcoBoost Raptor up against the V8 Supercharged Raptor R to see how far we can really push an EcoBoost motor. All right, we're here at the track. Gen 3 EcoBoost or Raptor R? What do you think?
I'm thinking EcoBoost.
Thinking EcoBoost?
Yeah.
EcoBoost was Raptor R, what do you think?
Well, I'm biased, so EcoBoost, like, duh.
The MSRP on an EcoBoost Raptor is about $78,000. We bought ours used for $55K. We then threw about $10,000 worth of mods onto it, including our full race turbo kit and an intercooler. And of course, a ton of help from Mike at More Power Tuning. Everything else on the truck, bone stock. Stock motor, stock trans, stock suspension. Gen 3 EcoBoost was Raptor R. Donnie.
Well, I like my job, so I'm gonna go with EcoBoost.
Smart man. Smart man. Kyle and Child, Gen 3 EcoBoost with Raptor R. What do you think?
Raptor R.
Raptor R. You get the hell out of here. The supercharged V8 Raptor R, on the other hand, MSRP is for around $115,000. Don't forget to add a $25,000 to $40,000 dealer markup to that. Same as our truck. This one's bone stock, stock motor, stock trans, stock suspension. Colin, Gen 3 EcoBoost or Raptor R?
Turbos all day. EcoBoost is the way.
The Raptor R weighs slightly more than the Raptor, but they both weigh around 6,000 pounds, so we're not going to take that into account. What we will take into account is one costs tens of thousands of dollars less, and it's not supposed to be the fast one. Corey, you're driving the Gen 3 EcoBoost. What do you think? Gen 3 EcoBoost or Raptor R?
Gen 3 EcoBoost.
Yeah? Just because you're driving or because it's the Gen 3 EcoBoost?
It's got the driver mods.
This is August, the generous donator of the Raptor R. What do you think? Gen 3 EcoBoost or Raptor R?
V8 all day.
Okay.
I think it's going to be close. I'm going to have to say the EcoBoost.
The EcoBoost.
You guys have done a good job with the build. So.
I like that.
Pretty good.
All right, appreciate that. We'll see what happens. He's got 8 cylinders, but we've got 2 turbos and unresolved childhood trauma. So let's run these trucks. Go, baby, go! Go, baby, go! We got it, baby. We're a long ways away, but it looks like we got it. I have no idea if it was 1 length or 40, but it looks like we took them. How'd it feel, Corey?
That's how you win.
Hell yeah, man. How'd the truck feel?
Felt good.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's
Great.
got a little more in it.
Yeah? Do it
Yeah.
again?
Yeah.
Let's do it again. All right, we're gonna try our Gen 2 3.5 liter EcoBoost against the V8 Raptor R. The Gen 2's got our full power pack on it. Should be an interesting race. We'll see how it goes. All right, MSRP doesn't matter on this one. We got this truck for $1 for a SEMA build, so quite a bit cheaper than the Raptor R. finish the day off, for shits and giggles, we've got our Gen 3 Raptor against our Gen 1 F-150 EcoBoost with the cab on. The Gen 1's got a full power pack. Let's see how it goes. All right, you guys ready? Gen 1 did great. I can't tell how many car lengths, but it did great. All right, so we wrapped the day up. I did not expect the EcoBoost to do as well as it did. We won by about 3-4 car lengths. Best time on the Raptor R ended with 12.4. Best time on the EcoBoost, 11.9. And the Raptor R might sound really good, but we know your knuckles hurt from dragging them around all day long. So if you've got an EcoBoost Raptor for the low price of under 10 grand, you too can beat a Raptor R.